City, 2 sets up is Sandugo San Sebastian. Numbers of that second set from Anne.
Well, this is a much better set for FEU, although they lost it. Sandugo 17 attack points. FEU now up to 14 attack points. 2 block points for each squad. 1 service ace for each squad. In terms of errors also, itong FEU napantayan din kahit papano yung Sandugo. So altogether, I think for FEU it was a good set. But for Sandugo San Sebastian, I think they weren't expecting that kind of game from the FEU squad, ano. So kikita naman natin talaga dun sa puntos na dikit na ngayon yung puntos, especially in the attack department.
A definite improvement in the level of play of FEU, comparing it to the first set output that they produced. And this third set, let's see if they can carry over that momentum. At least it's the trend is in the positive side.
At sabi naman nila Coach Shaq, no, even before Coach Ness arrived, sinasabi niya hindi naman importante yung manalo kayo ngayon, but what's really important is that if you're convinced that you played really well today and you gave it your all. And I would suppose yung second set na yun, although sayang, it was a much better performance for the team.
Ruby De Leon with a good serve. Remulla avoiding the block. Then again, one of her favorite shots is to just tip it in and drop it right in the middle.
And it's that sweet spot. Still no adjustment from the defense of the Lady Tamaraws.
Ruby again with the floater. Shakey's if it's fun. Family pizza. Gotta be Shakey's. Tabaquero block naman this time. Talagang, it's not her day, obviously. It's not her day.
She hasn't found her groove as of this point.
Early timeout by FEU. Let's listen in.
FEU Makati, the newest campus of Far Eastern University, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: BS Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, Business Administration. Get that business education in the heart of the business district. So for more information, just call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. Ruby De Leon committing that service error. Score now 4-1. FEU with a serve, Eulalio at the service line. Set to Benito. Benito sends it down the line. Nobody there for FEU. Serve now for Sandugo San Sebastian. Nin with a serve. Tabaquero from the middle. Set up for Benito off the block. C to Tabaquero. Benito setting up for Benting. Benting gets it through. Free ball. Benting blocked once again. Palma tipping the ball over. Benito, not enough juice on that last attempt. Point to FEU. Score is now 5. Sandugo San Sebastian, FEU with 2. Tabaquero getting ready to serve. Set up for Benito once again. And a free ball for Sandugo. Palma unable to handle that middle attack from Roses. Excellent read there by the receivers of FEU.
6-3. Sandugo San Sebastian ahead here in the third set. Mikasa, the official ball, the Shakey's V lead. Remulla hits the tape. That's a service error for her. And among the best blockers, of course, I'm sorry about the best spikers, I should say, Suzanne Roses is ranked first in that department. The best spiker department. 8-3, San Sebastian with the lead. We'll be right back.